condition for maximum angle of deviation. Angle of maximum deviation. The condition for maximum angle of deviation is either incident angle or emergence angle should be equal to 90 degree. Either I or E. Angle of incidence or angle of emergence should be equal to 90 degree. Let us take I is equal to either one of the angles should be 90 degree. Let us take I is equal to 90 degree. I is equal to 90 means this is phase A, phase B, this is normal. If a ray passes along the normal, then I is equal to 0. And this is 90 degree, this and this angle is 90 degree. So if maximum angle I is equal to 90 means the I is equal to angle of incidence 90 degree means the ray will graze, it will go along, graze the phase AB, So let us draw the diagram here. This is a triangular prism. So for I is equal to maximum, that is I can be maximum 90 degree. So the ray passes like this, and if the ray passes like this, then this is the normal. So angle of incidence is equal to 90 degree. This is normal. Then after ray is passing, the ray will move like this within this after refraction, because it will, instead of going like this, it will bend towards this normal. Bend towards this normal. This is angle between ray and the normal is R1. Then further from here, this is the normal toe. Instead of going like this, it will bend away from the normal, the ray. This is the path of the ray. So in this case, this is angle of the prism. And what about this? What about the maximum deviation? It is deviation. This is the path of the incident ray and the angle between incident ray and the refracted ray. This is the angle. This is the angle between incident ray and refracted ray, which is rho maximum. It means rho maximum means, so this is R2. This angle is R2. So we can say for deviation to be maximum, that is rho is equal to rho max. Either I or E should be equal to 90 degree. If I is equal to 90 degree, sine of I is equal to sine of 90 is equal to 1. So from Snell's law, mu is equal to sine of I by sine of R1 is equal to sine of I is equal to sine of 90 is equal to 1 divided by sine of R1. Sine of R1 is equal to 1 by refractive index. Already we have seen 1 by refractive index. 1 by refractive index equals sine of the critical angle. And C is equal to critical angle of the material of the prism. So we can write this is equal to sine C. It means we can say equating this and this, R1 is equal to critical angle. R1 is equal to critical angle, or we can write R1 from this expression, we take sine that side, sine R1 is equal to, take it that side, sine inverse of 1 by refractive angle, which is equal to C. R1 is equal to C, refractive index also equal to C. refractive. Now let's come to the fine. So I is equal to 90 means what? This is A, face AB. See, the incident ray is grazing the face AB, and after undergoes refraction through the prism and it emerges out. So mu is equal to sin I by sin R1, which is also is equal to sine of E by sine of R2. And since A is equal to R1 plus R2, R2 is equal to A minus R1, and A minus R1 is equal to critical angle A minus C. R2 is equal to A minus C. You can write from this equation mu is equal to sin E divided by sin R2. Sin R2 is equal to A minus C, or sin E is equal to mu into sin A minus C. So therefore sin E is equal to, or E is equal to, take the sign that says sin of inverse into mu into sin of A minus C. So from this, for rho is equal to rho max, it means angle of deviation should be equal to angle of maximum deviation. In that case, is equal to I plus E minus E, where I is equal to 90, I is equal to 90 degree, I is equal to 90 degree, E is equal to, so rho to be is equal to rho maximum, I is equal to 90 degree plus E is equal to sin inverse mu sin A minus C minus A. So this is the condition for which the angle of deviation will be maximum, where I is equal to 90 degree, E is equal to sin inverse of refractive index into sin of A minus C minus E. So in this condition, rho is equal to rho max, I should be equal to 90 degree, R, E is equal to 90 degree, and R1 is equal to sin inverse 1 by mu, where R1 is equal to critical angle, C is equal to critical angle of the prism material, or which is sin C from total internal reflection. Sin C is equal to 1 by mu. This is the condition for total internal refraction, or 1 by mu. 1 by mu is equal to sin R1. Therefore, R1 is equal to sin of R1 is equal to sin of C, or C is equal to R1, and sin C is equal to 1 by mu, or sin R1 is equal to 1 by mu. And R2, what is the R2? E is equal to, and E should be equal to sin inverse of mu into sin A minus E. This is the condition for angle of refraction to be maximum value. So I6 should be 90 first, and R1 should be this much, and E should be this much. Put it in the expression, rho is equal to rho max, I is equal to 90, E is equal to this value, and A is the angle of prism, where A is equal to angle of prism.